Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is MTech Survey Handing Up. If you are new here, kindly subscribe, like and share this video, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates. Okay guys, we're gonna cover you guys today how to create your US Playstore in order for you to be able to download some applications. So I believe some people find it very difficult to find their application, most especially the US application. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys on how to download your US from Play Store or App Store as well. So guys, let's see the access that you need to confirm to know if these apps can be found in Nigeria apps. Okay, let's take for instance, you want to download Curious Cat. Let's see. So you cannot take note, this app is not available on Google Play in your region. What is the cost? You have been trying to download Curious Cat, but you find it very difficult to download this app. You try to download Cash App, you find it very difficult to download Cash App. There are many apps that you find it very difficult to download, but you can't find this app in your region. It's because of what? Your Play Store is not in US region. That is why. Or your Play Store is not in UK region. So how can you do this to make sure that your Play Store is in US or in UK region? All you need to do is to just go back, come here. Understand? Just come here. So go to you can use your either free VPN or proxy. Just come here. So let's go and connect to our free VPN. I'm using VPN for this training. Understand? I'm not using proxy, I'm using free VPN for the purpose of this class. But if you have paid, you can use as well. So I'm going to connect to my New York server. So I'm allowing this app to
Don't
load.
skip yet. This app is something you won't want to miss.
The VPN is free. That is why ART is running. You understand? Everything is a paid VPN now. This VPN is a paid VPN. You won't have to pay for this ART. So I'm just using this for just training. I'm using it for training sake. So all I need to do, I've connected the VPN. You can see the icon on top. So all I need to do is just head to my Play Store. Come here. Then I need to just click on this Play Store. And the next thing I'm going to do is to change the email to a new email. That is all. Change the email to the new email that you just added. That is all. Just come here and select the new email that you just created. So from there, accept. Then you'll be able to add up. If you see now, everything has already changed. We have game, we have apps, we have survey, offer, and books. Compared to that of Nigeria zone. So you can see everything has already. This place one has migrated to US now. So with this now, you should be able to download all those apps that I searched earlier on that they say the apps are not available in your region. So you see, this is the best way for you to download all your US region apps. So now if I should go to my search box now and search for Curious Cat, I think I should be able to see it. Understand? I think I should be able to see it. Let me see. This server is very slow. This free VPN server is very slow. Okay, you can see now the app is already at the top. You can see, but unlike that of when I was searching the other time, it was not even showing. It was not available in my region. So this is the best way for you to change your. You can try it. Just try it and give us a comment. You understand? And don't forget, please, if this is your first time, do well to subscribe this channel for more tips and updates. So you can see we have our apps live now. All those apps that you cannot see them now, you should be able to see them. If you want to download UK apps and other countries apps, that's how you do the same process. You connect their region. When you connect their region, you should be able to search it. Then you will see the app. It will show you. Can see. Look at Cash App now. This is a US app. It's not a Nigeria app. So that's the difference. You understand? That's the difference. And this is the best way for you to download a US app or a UK app. If you need a UK app, you also do the same process. You can go and connect to UK server. Then you use a new email to connect to the Play Store, and you are good to go. You see, that is how to do it. So that is it for today. Setting up your Curious or whatever you want to search on Curious Cat or Cash App for you to know that yes, it's the best process for you to confirm that your IP, your Play Store is on US or Is it a US Play Store or a Nigeria Play Store? So if you find this video helpful, give this video a like, drop a comment if you have any question or need help. So subscribe to MTech Survey and Help and turn on the bell icon for more survey making tutorials every week. Thanks for watching once again. Bye bye.